Hi guys, let's look at this question. Want a question of the day 36. Now the road connecting two towns A and B are only uphill to a certain distance and downhill to the remaining part of the distance, and there's no stretch of road that is leveled. Okay. Now Vikram's car does a constant 40 kilometers uphill and 80 kilometers per hour downhill. Find the distance between A and B if he takes exactly 9 hours. Clear? For Vikram to make one round trip from A to B and back. Okay, so let's assume that the distance A to B is of d kilometers. Out of that, let's say while going from A to B, clear? This part is uphill and this part is downhill. This is while going. Okay. Now, if while going, I'm going uphill. While coming back, it will be downhill, right? So while coming back from B to A, you need to understand that initial downhill becomes uphill and initial uphill becomes downhill. Right? If this part is x, then the remaining part becomes d minus x. And the total distance is d. That is what we have to calculate. Clear? So if you just apply the equations, you'll get the answer. So x kilometers uphill, his uphill speed is 40 plus d minus x kilometers downhill. Now his downhill speed is 80. Now while coming back, again he's taking d minus x kilometers uphill. That is d minus x divided by 40. And x kilometers downhill, that is x divided by 80. Now this total time is equal to 9 hours. Now what we can do is we can take 80 as the LCM. So we get 2x plus we have d minus x plus we have 2d minus 2x and then plus we will have x, which is equal to 9. So if you observe, a plus 2d and a minus 2d gets cancelled, a plus x and a minus x gets cancelled. So all we have is we have 3d is equal to 80 into 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are, or the value of d is equal to 240. So we have the total distance, that is one round of distance from A to B is 240 kilometers. So again, a very simple question, but yet good question on equations plus speed, time, and distance. Again, if you're quick enough, I would be expecting the answer somewhere in 60 to 90 seconds. It's a straightforward question. Let's get used to equations based questions on speed, time, and distance. Thank you, guys.